A shadow falls on the broken skies. Wings are clipped, but the spirit flies. Through the chaos we find a way to catch the dawn at the edge of gray. A fragile cry in the heart of the storm. We rise together to keep it warm. Cradle the hope in a trembling hand. A dove needs love to understand. Rescue a dove from a world so cold. Carry the weight of a heart of gold. Lift it higher where dreams are free. In saving this dove, we save you and me. White through the darkened trees, a symbol of peace in the raging seas. The fight's not